Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily enable or disable developer settings on Xiaomi Smart Projection L1 Pro. So first, take your TV remote and go over to the settings. Now what you guys have to do is scroll a bit down until you guys see system. Here, as you guys can see, when you have developer options enabled, then you simply click it here. Now you leave and they disappear. They are now disabled. And how to enable them, it's pretty easy. Go over to about and now scroll a bit down until you see Android TV OS build. Now click a couple of times. As you guys can see, now I'm one step away from being a developer. Now I'm a developer and developer settings are here. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.